Hey guys, I'm Delaney and today I'm going to be showing you how to change your password in my WCC. So our first step is we're going to go up to the top and we're going to click on the little plus button. This plus button is going to open up a new tab so we're going to be able to search. So in this little search bar up at the top, I'm going to type in my WCC and then the rest of the URL does pop up, so I'm just going to press enter and it takes us right here to where we should log in. Now, I want you guys to pay attention to this gray box. You have forgot password, forgot X number. Today we're just going to click forgot password. Now, it's going to give us all these little prompt questions, so we're going to answer them one by one. So for this, I'm going to type in my X number, and then I'm going to press search. And then I'm going to type in, now it prompts me to enter my last name, so I'm going to enter my last name, and I'm going to press check answers. And now it's going to be sending a security code to my Gmail. So we're going to go back up to the little plus button to open up another tab. And I'm just going to type in Gmail and then press enter. And it should open up my email. So I'm going to go back to the forgotten password page and I'm going to press continue. Because once I press continue, the security code will be sent to my email. So I'm going to go back to my email, refresh it, see if I got a code. And the code is 3YN4AK. So I'm going to type that in, 3YN4AK, and I'm going to press check code. All right, so it says that I have been verified, so I'm just going to press continue. Now I'm going to type in my new password, so I'm just going to do something random. They match. Now I'm going to press change password. So I'm going to save this to my computer. I'm going to wait to see if my password is going to be uploaded. It says my password has been successfully changed, so I'm just going to press continue. And then it takes us out here, so I'm just going to click the X. You can also check back into your email. And we got that you have changed your Robotsy password. Now you can always go to my WCC again. And you can log back in just to make sure it's good. Okay, thank you.